Hello people, Tanmay here. In my last video, I said I will take UI UX design and master it in next 7 days. Day 1 with great energy, I started my day in the early morning. Firstly, I need to know what tools are used in UI UX. So, I got my earpods in and started my work. Spent the whole day watching n number of tutorials on UI UX design. Which I got to know that, firstly, I need a wireframe. Wireframe is a basic map of your website, how it's gonna look like. I'm getting ready for my day 2. I should pick which kind of website I should do. In the old way, I just got my inspiration.
Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
I got my target. I have my time. So, I started working on it. Day 2, I spent it on my wireframe. Bro, what? It's day 3 already. In my day 3, I just scrolling on my YouTube and I found this. I was like, wow, nice. Yemini yandam. And I want to work on it. After a long work of 2 hours, I made it. It's so simple, bro. I don't want to spend whole day on it. I just make it simple. It's a 3D object. Now it's day 4 and day 5. Designing a normal website is not a big deal. But coming up with the best designs make you stand out of road. The word UI UX, which describes user interface and user experience. What is user interface? It is the way the website looks. So what is user experience? Is the way how people feel about your website. So you are now looking at my background. I'll just change it now. This is another design. It is another. You might felt awkward with another designs. So that's how UX works. Every color speaks something. Every font has its value. Now the term graphic designing comes under play. You need not be a good graphic designer. You just need to be familiar with this. Which fonts to use, which color palette do we use, what are the font size to be followed. Just learn about it, play with some fonts, and you will find the best output. I spent my day 4 and day 5 making as many designs as I can. And on day 5, what you should do? Get into your LinkedIn. Search about some UI UX designers. Just analyze their profiles. Look at their portfolio. You should post your work in LinkedIn and create a circle among your designers. After all these efforts, if you find yourself prepared, go and apply some internships. Don't try to be a freelancer. Freelancing is saturated. Search in LinkedIn, apply for them, and wait for your opportunity. With all the effort, with all the time, with all the energy, I completed my challenge. I am posting my work in my description. You can go and check there. So that's how my 7 days went. So productive. If you have expected any tutorial or any classes, I'm really sorry, bro. I'm not here to teach anything. I'm just here to say that you can learn anything in just 7 days. I'm gonna do more and more things like this in every week. So if you wanna stay tuned with me, please subscribe to my channel. Until then, goodbye.